Hello students, today we are going to study the sixth chapter of your grammar, which is noun belongings. By now we have studied a lot of types of nouns. Let's try and recollect them. First was common noun, proper nouns, collective nouns, nouns in numbers and nouns in genders. So today we study the sixth type of noun, which is noun belongings. So, what are the noun belongings? What is the word for noun belongings? They are also called as possessive nouns. So, the meaning of the word possessive, possession, is to have something. If I have a pen, I can say I possess a pen. So, what are possessive nouns? Possessive nouns tells us about the relationship between the noun and what the noun is about, okay, what the noun is doing or what the thing is doing, the person is doing, what the animal is doing. Okay, let's start. Let's read some sentences and then let's get into explanation. First, this is Natasha's skirt. So Natasha is a, which noun is it? It is a proper noun because it is a name of a girl. Okay, this is Tom's hat. This is Dan's photograph. This is Nicky's cat. Let's see and read all the sentences again. As you can see, we have S in common, okay, and there is a little comma up. What is the name of the comma? It is called an apostrophe, okay, it is called an apostrophe. When the noun is singular, like you can see, there is only one Natasha, one Tom, one Dan, and one Nicky. So they are singular pronouns, okay, there is only one person over there. So in these sentences we can see the relationship between Natasha and skirt, Tom and hat, Dan and photograph, Nicky and cat. Okay, so the skirt, hat, photograph and cat are possessed by these people. Like the skirt is of Natasha, so they are related. Okay, there are, the Natasha possesses the skirt, Tom possesses his hat, Dan possesses his photograph, and Nicky possesses her cat. So we always use apostrophe and S for the singular nouns and pronouns. A noun can show what is owns or possesses. Like I said, these all skirt, hat, photograph and cat are possessed by these people. The noun Natasha, Tom, Dan and Nicky are the owners. Okay, they are the owners of these things. So a noun can shows relationship or ownership is a possessive noun. So these are possessive nouns. Let's see some more examples. The cat's dishes. Okay, so the cat has dishes, right? It is owned by one cat. These dishes are of only one cat. That is why we use apostrophe and S. A possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. So, the cat and dishes. The dishes belongs to the cat. So, a possessive noun. Cats is a possessive noun. So, it will always come before the noun that belongs it. So even cat is a pronoun and dishes is a common noun. But dishes is owned by cat. So you will always put the possessive noun before the things which the person or the thing owns. Tom's hat. See, the hat is of Tom. So we put the possessive noun before the common noun. We add apostrophe s to make a singular noun possessive. Okay, so singular noun is cat, boys, and Tom, and we have added apostrophe s to make it a possessive noun. Without apostrophe s, it is not a possessive noun, it is just a common noun or a proper noun. The witch's broom. The broom is owned by the witch. The broom is of the witch. So she is the owner of the broom. So we say the witch's broom. We add an apostrophe. So see, for singular nouns, we always added apostrophe and then s. But as you can see, boys, dogs, and girls, they are, what are they? They are plural nouns. So we add an apostrophe after the noun, okay, after the plural noun. See, so now there are two witches, right? There are two witches on the broom. So what is the witch? Witches? Witches is a plural noun because there are two witches. So we add apostrophe after the s. But if it was only one witch, we add an apostrophe before the s. We add an apostrophe s to a plural noun, like I said, which is only one, that does not end in s, to make it possessive. So whenever the nouns which end with s, they are automatically plural, right? So the deer can be one or two or many, right? But there is no s after deers. But so that is why we use an apostrophe s, okay, after that. So I hope by now you know which are nouns belongings, which are, what are they called? They are called possessive nouns. So let's try and solve some exercises from your workbook. First, complete the conversation between Nita and her mother as they look at an album of photos. Use the words in the box. Let's do it together. Nita, who is this? This is my friend Mina's mother. Nita, is that Mina auntie's sister? Mother, yes, that is her sister. Mina's hair is so long in that photo. Nita, yes, it is. So you have to write the pronouns. These are all pronouns, which are also possessive nouns. Why are they possessive nouns? Because there is an apostrophe and s. Okay? Rewrite these expressions using apostrophe s. Okay, let's do some of them. First, the toy is owned by Sumit. Sumit has all these toys laying around. So we can say Sumit's toys. Sumit apostrophe s, toys. The song the girl sang. So the song is sung by the girl. Okay, there is relationship between the girl and the song. So we can say the girl's song. Okay, girl apostrophe s. Okay. Let's do the B one. Rewrite the sentences using apostrophe s to show possession. Okay, it's the same thing. They sold the house which belonged to Mr. Khanna. So what can we do? We can write down Mr. Khanna's house was sold by them or was just sold. Second, the tail of the dog got stuck in the wire. Okay, so where is the relationship? The tail and the dog's tail, right? So we write the dog's tail got stuck in the wire. Okay, the house of the prime minister is in Delhi. So we can, there is a relationship between prime minister and his house. So we can say prime minister's house is in Delhi. Let's do the C one. Change the underlined words to nouns with apostrophe s or just an apostrophe. Then rewrite the sentences. So when do we use apostrophe s and only an apostrophe? We write apostrophe s for singular nouns and we write only apostrophe for plural nouns which end with s. Okay? Do you know where the paintings made by money are? So there is relationship between money and his paintings. So we can see money's paintings. Yes. So we write, do you know where money's paintings are? Okay, second one. We sing the song written by Tagore. So there is a relationship between songs and Tagore. So what do we write? We will write, we sing Tagore's song. Okay? Just remember while doing the rest of them, you put only an apostrophe which ends for the nouns which ends in s, which are plural nouns. Okay? I hope today you were able to know about noun belongings, which are also called as possessive nouns. Thank you.